What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading, watching movies, and cooking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What time do you start school?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish school?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax, watch TV, or read.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you cook your own food?
No, I don't.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, not every day.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love them.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy football.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Jennifer.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of books do you like?
I like fiction and self-help books.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I like tea more.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Paris.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
No, I haven't.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I prefer mountains.
How's the weather in your country?
It's usually hot.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
What do you do on a rainy day?
I stay indoors and watch movies.
Do you like snow?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Where do you work?
I work at Google.
What do you study?
I study data science.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics.
Do you work from home?
No, I go to the office.
What time do you start studying?
I start at 8 p.m.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning.
Do you take online classes?
Yes, I do.
How do you relax after studies?
I listen to music or watch TV.
Do you want to change your job?
Yes, I'm looking for better opportunities.
Do you have many friends?
No, just a few.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you do with your friends?
We hang out, talk, and have fun.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, every year.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, I visit them on weekends.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax, watch movies, and spend time with friends.
Do you like parties?
Yes, they're fun.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
What apps do you use daily?
I use WhatsApp, Instagram, and Gmail.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I love them.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite website?
I like YouTube.
Do you use social media?
No, I don't use it much.
Do you know how to use a computer?
Yes, I'm good at it.
Do you eat out often?
No, I don't.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Do you drink soda?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips.
Do you drink milk daily?
No, not daily.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love them.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like shopping malls?
Yes, they're fun.
Do you like gardening?
No, I don't.
Do you recycle?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite flower?
I like roses.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you like painting?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite festival?
I like New Year.